Hey everyone, welcome to the Health Guide. Today, we're diving into a topic that will completely change the way you think about fitness: sprinting. You might think sprinting is just about running fast, but trust me, it's so much more. This high-intensity workout can transform your body in ways you never expected. And I'm going to break down exactly how sprinting changes your body faster than you think. Stay tuned because these benefits are going to blow your mind. And by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start sprinting your way to a healthy life, staying fit and living longer. Let's not waste any time. Let's dive right in. 1. Body composition. Sprinting versus long-distance running. Have you ever noticed the stark difference between sprinters and long-distance runners? Sprinters are more muscular, powerful, and lean, while long-distance runners tend to be slimmer. The reason? Sprinting requires short bursts of maximum effort, which builds muscle while also burning fat. In contrast, distance running focuses more on endurance, which can sometimes lead to the loss of muscle mass. Sprinting helps you develop a balanced physique, aesthetic strength combined with agility. This perfect balance is ideal for those seeking both power and endurance. Plus, it's one of the fastest ways to see changes in your body. Imagine sculpting lean muscles while torching body fat in just a few minutes a day. Who wouldn't want that? And the best part? You'll start seeing those killer abs faster than you think. Trust me, sprinting is a game changer for your body composition. You'll be turning heads in no time. 2. Fast-twitch muscle fibers activation. When you sprint, you're tapping into your body's fast-twitch muscle fibers. These fibers are all about explosive power and speed. They're the ones that help you push off the ground hard and accelerate quickly. While slow-twitch fibers support endurance activities like jogging, sprinting activates these fast-twitch muscles, and that's what leads to significant muscle development. What's more, sprinting can stimulate both fast and slow-twitch fibers, making it an incredible tool for total body development. Just what you need to live longer and stay healthy. Fast-twitch fibers don't just make you faster. They give you that muscle definition we all crave. Picture this: fewer hours spent on the treadmill and more time building lean muscle and burning fat. This is your golden ticket to both strength and speed. You're practically training like an elite athlete, no matter your fitness level. 3. Boost in testosterone and growth hormone. Sprinting is like a natural anabolic booster. Every time you sprint, your body releases a surge of testosterone and growth hormone. These hormones are essential for muscle growth, fat loss, and faster recovery. Think of sprinting as a workout that combines cardio with the muscle-building benefits of weightlifting. You're burning fat while gaining lean muscle, and thanks to the boost in these hormones, your recovery time improves too. So if you want to reshape your body fast, sprinting is your secret weapon. Testosterone and growth hormone aren't just for pro athletes. They're your body's secret sauce for quicker results. Feel the difference after just a few sessions as you start to notice faster recovery times, increased strength, and yes, those long-desired gains. With these hormones working in your favor, you're well on your way to looking and feeling like a champ. 4. Sprinting versus HIIT and long-distance cardio for fat loss. Why is sprinting better for fat loss compared to traditional cardio? Sprinting combines the intensity of high-intensity interval training with the fat-burning benefits of long-distance cardio, but it does it in a fraction of the time. When you sprint, your metabolism stays elevated for hours after your workout, meaning you'll keep burning fat long after you finish your session. It's a metabolic powerhouse, and you can burn more fat in less time while maintaining your muscle mass. A true win-win for those looking to lose weight and live a happy life. Think of it this way: 20 minutes of sprints versus 60 minutes of jogging. Who wouldn't choose the faster option? You'll also avoid the muscle-wasting effect of long cardio sessions. Sprinting gives you the best of both worlds: quick fat loss with muscle preservation. That means more time for fun and less time sweating it out at the gym. 5. Time efficiency. Short workouts, big results. One of the best things about sprinting is how time efficient it is. In just 20 minutes of sprinting, you can burn as many calories as an hour of steady-state running. That's right, 20 minutes of high-intensity sprinting can transform your body faster than you ever thought possible. This makes it the perfect workout for those with busy schedules who still want to achieve maximum fat loss and muscle gain. With sprinting, you get to optimize your time and still reap incredible results. Whether you're juggling work, family, or just life in general, who has hours to spend in the gym? With sprinting, you get maximum results with minimal time investment. No more excuses. You can fit in an amazing workout even on your busiest day. Plus, think about all the extra time you'll have for yourself while still crushing your fitness goals. Sounds pretty awesome, right? 6. Explosive power and high-intensity endurance. Sprinting is not just about running fast. It's about building explosive power that transfers into all areas of your fitness. Over time, sprinting strengthens your nervous system, allowing your muscles to fire more quickly and with greater force. You'll not only get stronger, but you'll also build high-intensity endurance, meaning you can perform at your peak for longer. This is key for athletes and anyone who wants to feel more powerful in their everyday life. Imagine having the energy to push through that tough workout or power through your day with more stamina and strength. Sprinting trains your body to be ready for anything, from climbing stairs without feeling winded to dominating your next workout. It's like unlocking your hidden superpower. 7. Sprinting and the power of your spinal engine. Did you know your spine plays a massive role in sprinting? When you sprint, your spine acts as an engine, generating rotational power with every stride. This strengthens your posture, balance, and core stability. Sprinting improves your overall athletic performance, making you more efficient at generating force from the ground up. Whether you're into sports, martial arts, or just want to improve your functional movements, strengthening your spinal engine is a game changer. Picture yourself standing taller, feeling more balanced, and moving with agility in every aspect of life. Sprinting is the ultimate workout that improves everything from your posture to your coordination. You'll feel like you've tapped into a new level of athleticism, ready to tackle anything life throws at you. 8. Mastering the push-off technique. A strong sprint starts with a solid push-off. Think of each step as loading a spring. When you push off the ground with maximum force, you're propelling your body forward with incredible power. Focusing on a strong push-off not only increases your speed, but also prevents injuries. It's like building a foundation for your sprint, ensuring that each stride is powerful and efficient. Imagine the feeling of launching forward with each step, gaining speed and momentum effortlessly. By perfecting your push-off, you'll not only sprint faster, but also improve your overall running technique. Injuries? Not today. You'll be stronger, faster, and more efficient with every stride. 9. Running tall and high knee drive. Run tall. You've probably heard this before, but it's more than just a phrase. Running tall aligns your body for maximum efficiency, while a high knee drive helps lengthen your stride and maximize speed. By keeping your center of gravity in the optimal position, you reduce the strain on your body, making each sprint more effective and less taxing. Think of it like this. With every tall stride and high knee, you're powering through the finish line. Plus, running tall keeps your posture perfect, which means less stress on your joints. It's all about working smarter, not harder, to unleash your full sprinting potential. 10. The importance of staying relaxed. It might sound counterintuitive, but relaxation is key during sprinting. When you're tense, you create resistance that slows you down. Focus on keeping your upper body relaxed, especially your shoulders and hands, to minimize drag and conserve energy. This simple trick can help you reach your top speed faster and sustain it longer without burning out too quickly. Imagine flying down the track, feeling light and free, with each step effortlessly propelling you forward. That's the power of relaxation. Keep it cool and let your body do what it's designed to do. Move fast and fluidly. You'll be surprised at how much speed you can gain by just loosening up. 11. Setting up sprint interval training. Sprint interval training, SIT, is one of the most efficient ways to burn fat and improve your speed. You can tailor your intervals based on your goals, whether that's fat loss, muscle gain, or improved endurance. For beginners, start with shorter sprints and longer recovery times. As you progress, you can reduce the rest time and increase the sprint distance to challenge your body further. Customizing your sprint workouts means you're always in control. Want to blast fat in 10 minutes? Done. Want to build strength and endurance over 20 minutes? You got it. Sprint intervals give you flexibility and power to design your perfect workout every single time. 12. Varying distances in sprint training. To prevent plateaus and keep your body guessing, it's essential to vary the distances in your sprint training. Longer sprints help build endurance, while shorter, more explosive sprints activate those fast-twitch muscle fibers. By mixing up your sprints, you can ensure balanced development of both your aerobic and anaerobic capacities, making you a well-rounded athlete. Variety is the spice of life. In your workout, with different distances, you'll always keep your muscles guessing and your performance improving. Think of it like challenging yourself to new heights every time you hit the track. Your body will love the switch up, and your results will skyrocket. 13. Hill sprints for explosive leg strength. If you really want to challenge yourself, throw some hill sprints into the mix. Running uphill forces your legs to work harder, recruiting more muscle fibers and building explosive power. Plus, the incline helps improve your technique, making your push-offs more powerful and your knee drives more effective. You'll feel the burn, but trust me, it's the kind of burn that builds champions. Hill sprints are your ticket to explosive strength and powerful legs that not only look great, but perform even better. With every climb, you're building the legs of a sprinter, strong, fast, and ready for anything. 14. Sprinting on sand. Core and injury prevention. Sprinting on sand adds an extra layer of difficulty by making the surface unstable. This not only strengthens your legs, but also engages your core, promoting injury prevention. Sand reduces the impact on your joints, making it a safe option for those recovering from injuries while still providing an intense workout that improves balance and coordination. Picture yourself running on the beach, feeling the challenge with each step while strengthening your entire body. Sand sprints not only tone your legs, but also fire up your core, keeping your abs engaged for a workout that's as fun as it is effective. Plus, fewer injuries? Yes, please. 15. Sand running for core and oblique strength. Unlike sprinting on flat ground, sand running targets your core and obliques with each step. The unstable surface requires constant core activation to maintain your balance, making it a unique way to build a rock-solid core while also improving your overall stability. It's a fantastic addition to your sprint training routine. You'll feel those obliques working overtime as you dig into the sand. And trust me, your core will thank you. It's not just about running. It's about building a functional, strong, and lean body. Incorporate sand sprints, and you'll be beach body ready before you know it. Now it's your turn to take this knowledge and apply it to your fitness routine. How will you incorporate sprinting into your life to stay healthy, live longer, and enjoy a happy life? Don't forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts. How has sprinting transformed your body? And if you haven't started yet, what's holding you back? Let me know. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the Health Guide for more tips on how to live your best, healthiest life. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Let's sprint our way to a healthier, happier life together. Thanks for watching.